Hello YouTube, this is Sachin from Satvik Software. So this video is about solving a problem in JavaScript. So the problem is like this. The input is an array consisting of some elements in which some elements are repeated and some elements are not. So they are unique. So in this array the elements A, B and C are repeated twice, and the elements the elements D and E are actually unique. So the required output is the new array consisting of all the elements which are non-unique in the input array. Okay, so we already have a video of solving this problem in Python, so I'm going to leave a link of that video in the description below. So if you're interested in it, so go check it out. So let's go ahead and get into it. So I'm first going to solve this in a very naive, freshers way, in a way that most freshers would do, looping through each and every element of the array manually. Okay, so for that I'm going to require one empty JSON object. I'm going to call that JSON object as temp. Now I'm going to loop through each and every element of the array, and I'm going to populate the JSON object temp with the number of occurrences of the elements of array. Okay, so this is how I'm going to do it. For I equals 0, I is less than arr.length I plus plus. So if temp dot has own property of arr of I, if this is the case, temp of arr of I plus equals 1. Else temp of arr of I equals 1. So let's go ahead and check it out what we got doing this. Okay, so console.log temp no space. So there we have it, a JSON object with the number of occurrences of each and every element in the input array. So what we need is a new array consisting of non-unique elements which are A, B and C. So for that I am going to require another new empty array. So let new arr equals empty array. Okay, so now I'm going to loop through each and every element of JSON object temp, and I'm going to populate the new array only with those array elements which have the count of more than 1. Okay, so for I in temp, so if temp of I is greater than 1, new array dot push of I. Okay, so let's go ahead and print new array. So check if we got a new array as desired or not. Okay, so console.log new array. So there we have it, a new array consisting of the non-unique elements in the input array. Okay, so this is so non-JavaScriptic way of doing things. Okay, so if you are doing things, if you are solving any problem in JavaScript, you have to solve it using the inbuilt facilities of JavaScript. Okay, so I'm just going to comment it out and do the same thing in JavaScriptic way. So all we have to do is console.log. So I'm going to filter the input array based on the number of occurrences of each and every element. Okay, so this is how I'm going to do it. arr dot filter e. So index of arr dot index of e should not be equal to arr dot last index of e. Okay, so in any given array, if the element is not unique, if it has occurred more than once, then its index of and last index of will be different, which is which means they will be not equal. So that's why I'm doing here. So let's go ahead and check it out if you got the output desired or not. Yes, we have already got the elements which are not unique in the input array, but we only want those elements only once in the output array. This is not the required output. Okay, so there is another data structure in JavaScript which is called set. Set is kind of a JavaScript data structure that won't allow the duplicate of elements in it. So this is how you can get the set out of an array. New set. There we have it. But the required output should be an array, not a set, right? So to get an array out of set, there is another function, another method called array.from. So arr array.from of this whole thing. So there we have it. So we basically did this entire thing in just one line. Okay, so this is how you do things in JavaScript way. So when you are in an interview and you are given any problem to solve, and you are mentioned a particular language, you have to make use of the special facilities that has been provided in that language. So in that way your code will have more weightage. Okay, so thank you for watching. Until then, bye.